Thank you everyone, and thank you for joining me. In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can select keywords based on your research topic or research title, and also using your research question to select keywords or search terms that you can use to look for papers when you are doing your literature review. So using this example, actually this is my example. This is a project that I did for my Master of Medicine project. And the topic or the title of my project was Diagnostic Performance of GeneXpert in Detecting Tuberculosis in Fine Needle Aspirates from Lymph Nodes. And the general research question that I was asking when I was doing my project was, what is the diagnostic performance of GeneXpert in diagnosing TB using fine needle aspirates in patients with peripheral lymphadenopathy? So how can we use our research topic or research question to identify and select keywords to build a search strategy? This is one of those preliminary steps that you start building a search strategy using a research title or research topic or research question to find similar review papers that you can use as an example for your own review. So in this example, let's select some keywords. So let's say search words or search terms as keywords. Okay. Looking at the topic or title, diagnostic performance becomes a keyword. Diagnostic performance. GeneXpert, yeah, definitely GeneXpert. And a variant of that would be expert. Some papers, published papers, and they spell out GeneXpert as expert. Tuberculosis, and fine needle aspirates. Fine needle aspirates. And the initial for that would be FNA, so we can also include that acronym as a keyword. And lymph node. Okay, let's look at the research question. Diagnostic performance, we have that GeneXpert, we have that TB as an acronym. Let's put that down. Fine needle aspirates, we have that, and let's include peripheral lymphadenopathy. And I can spell, let me correct it. Lymph PH, lymphadenopathy. Okay. And I can include needle aspirates as a variant of the FNA keyword. Okay, so we have some preliminary keywords. We can now use this to look for articles in Google Scholar. And in this case, we are specifically looking for review papers, preferably systematic review papers, but scoping reviews could do, but I recommend you look for systematic review papers to use as an example to do your own literature review. So let's do that. So I am going to go ahead, and to start, I will copy all of this and just go to Google Scholar, and I'm looking for systematic review. So I'm going to put systematic review in front and paste all of those words and see what I come up with, or what the Google Scholar gives me. Let's see this one, utility of FNA in diagnosis. This looks like a primary research paper. I'm more interested in systematic reviews. What about this one? This one, diagnosis of mediastinal TB by endoscopy, systematic review. Okay, this could be a good one. And look at this one. Gene expert compared with non-molecular methods of needle aspirates for diagnostics. This looks like a primary paper. Again, I'm looking for systematic review papers. Just going down the list. And this is a preliminary research looking for systematic review papers that you want to use as a model paper or as an example paper to do your literature review. So this is what I'm doing. So it looks like I'm not getting any good hits or good systematic review. So I'm going to delete all of that. I think it's probably too many. So I'm going to go try something more simple. So I'm going to go systematic review, TB, lymph node, fine needle aspirate, and let me say gene expert. Let's see what papers it shows. Okay, in this one, again, it shows original paper. I'm looking for systematic review papers. Okay, this one looks good. I think this is one of those papers that I saw previously. So, okay. So, yeah, this one looks good. Diagnostic accuracy of gene expert for lymph node TB diagnosis, systematic review and meta-analysis. So I will open that and I want to look for keywords in the abstract. Let's see. Okay, this paper does not have any keywords in the abstract. It probably does, but maybe I'm missing it. But there's one thing I noticed that I did not include, and that is gene expert MTB assay. So I'm going to use that, copy that as a keyword. So I'm going to just put that there, paste that as a keyword. Okay, expert, because I'm sure there'll be other papers that will have a similar spelling. Let's take that out. Okay, that's a good paper that I could use, similar to what I would like to do. Let's see what the paper looks like. So inclusion, exclusion criteria, and there's the Prisma guidelines. This looks good. So I might actually use this as an example to do my papers. And what I'm interested in is I want to go to the search strategy and look at how they constructed their search strategy to look for articles. Okay, here. And this is the search formula. And they use expert or gene expert and using Boolean operator and tuberculosis or lymph node as a mesh stem or extrapulmonary tuberculosis. Okay, so it was a very simple search. So I think I might do that and follow what I did. So again, when you're looking for articles and you have found a similar paper that's similar to yours, go to the method section and look at their search strategy, because you can use similar search strategy that they use and do yours. You can use it to model yours and do yours. So in this example, we can expert, gene expert, we have tuberculosis, we have lymph node, and we do not have extra pulmonary tuberculosis, we have lymph node. So I guess what we can do is we will expand from lymph node. Lymph node is too narrow. We'll expand it to include other non-pulmonary tuberculosis, which is more broader, and perhaps will include some good papers. So if I go back to my keyword search terms, I have diagnostic performance. I'll quickly go back to the paper and look at the title, and they use diagnostic accuracy. So again, I might include that as well. So in addition to diagnostic performance, I can add diagnostic accuracy, and gene expert I have there. So maybe I can exclude this one. I'll delete that because I have expert mtb/ref, and then I have fine needle aspirates lymph node. So I'm going to remove lymph node and use perhaps extra pulmonary TB. Extra pulmonary TB. Okay. So I have, let me see, how many search words do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are keywords or search terms that you can use in different combinations using Boolean operators to develop your search strategy. So I used one example as a way to find or identify and select keywords that you can use to build your search strategy. And one of the tip here is that when you find a paper that's similar to what you want to do, for example, in this example, we found this paper, you can go straight to the method section and look at their search strategy, and we can find here in this example how they build their search strategy to look for the papers that they used to write this systematic review paper. Their search strategy was very simple. Some papers may have more complex search strategy. What you can do is you can simply cut and paste what they did and modify according to yours if the paper is similar to your research topic or your research question, and then find your papers. In my next video, I will show how you can actually build your search strategy and look for papers either in Google Scholar or in PubMed using Boolean operators. So this is one example. If you would like me to use more examples, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know. If you have other ideas that you have found useful in your own literature review, do share in the comments. And if this video has helped you, please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to help this video reach more students who are doing research. So thank you for watching.